Good morning! I'm coming to you from my backyard where I'm listening to Bruce Springsteen and enjoying our beautiful sunny day. I have something new for you. It's called Tuesday's Tips. This is my very first one, and I'm sharing with you a cookie recipe that I call Coen's Cookies. And a lot of people with cerebral palsy suffer with constipation. And I know we don't talk about constipation, but he does have that. He does struggle with that. So this cookie really helps him. There's a bunch of fruits and nuts in it and oats in it. And even though there's butter and sugar in it to make it a cookie, it's actually, kind of good for him. And it does help him. So I'm going to post the recipe below. People do that, pointing below. So these videos are new for me, so I'm going to get better at them. Anyway, this Tuesday tip, I really hope that it helps you or someone you love. Have a great day.